How to upload video on WhatsApp status from YouTube. Hi everyone, in this following video I'm going to show you the ways to upload video on WhatsApp status from YouTube. So for that case, you have to make sure that your device is completely updated, and then to begin with, go ahead and log in into your YouTube application. First thing first, go ahead and select the video that you wish to upload it to your WhatsApp status. Let me go ahead and select this one. When you select it, or when you open it up, then you can go ahead and tap the share button, and here you can go ahead and copy the link, or you can directly go to WhatsApp. When you do that, it's going to take you to this field where you can go ahead and select my status, and then you can go ahead and tap the arrow icon. It's going to show you the ways to customize it as well. If you wish to do it so, or add some emojis or text as well, you can do that by tapping the T button from the top, and accordingly you can go ahead and tap the arrow icon located right at the bottom. And as soon as you've done that, you've successfully uploaded video on WhatsApp status from YouTube. So that's how you can upload video on WhatsApp status from YouTube. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.